Hello, and welcome to our video on deepfake technology. Have you ever seen a video or image that looked so realistic that you had trouble telling if it was real or fake? With advancements in artificial intelligence, the line between real and fake is becoming increasingly blurred. In this video, we'll explore deepfake technology, how it works, and the potential impact it could have on our society.
First, let's define deepfake technology. Deepfakes are computer-generated images, videos, or audio recordings that are designed to look and sound like real people. The technology behind deepfakes uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and manipulate existing images, videos, or audio recordings to create new, convincing fakes. One potential impact of deepfake technology is on politics. Deepfakes can be used to create convincing videos or audio recordings of political figures saying or doing things they never actually did. This could be used to manipulate public opinion, sway elections, or create chaos in political systems. Another impact of deepfake technology is on privacy. With deepfakes, it's possible to create realistic images or videos of people without their consent. This could lead to harassment, blackmail, or other forms of harm. However, there are also potential positive uses for deepfake technology. For example, it can be used in the entertainment industry to create realistic digital avatars for movies or video games. It can also be used in the medical field to simulate surgeries or other medical procedures.
Deepfake technology is a powerful tool that has the potential to be used for both good and bad. As the technology advances, it's important for us to be aware of its potential impact on our society and to take steps to mitigate any potential harm. Whether it's through regulation, education, or technological advancements, we must work together to ensure that deepfake technology is used in a responsible and ethical manner. Thank you for watching.